This is massive. AI just made the biggest security blunder of the year. Private API keys, passwords, sensitive developer credentials, exposed in a leaked AI training dataset. And guess what? These aren't just random passwords. We're talking about AWS credentials, MailChimp access, private security keys, potentially putting thousands of businesses, developers, and even you at risk. The question is, how did this happen? Who is responsible? And most importantly, should you be worried that your own data is being used in AI training without your consent? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see how this is just the beginning of a much bigger problem, a problem that could shake the entire AI industry. Let's get into it. So here's what went down. A cybersecurity firm analyzing AI training datasets found something shocking. Buried deep within these AI models were 12,000 private API keys, login credentials, sensitive tokens. This isn't just a theory. These secrets were real, and some of them were still active when they were found. And the worst part? No one knows exactly where they came from. Was this a mistake by AI developers? Data scraping gone wrong? Or is this an AI model absorbing things it was never supposed to see? The scary truth? AI doesn't forget. Once something is inside its training data, it's nearly impossible to remove. This leak exposes a huge security flaw that no one is talking about. AI models are learning from unsecured, unfiltered internet data. Think about it. AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude, and Qwen 2.5 consume millions of web pages to learn and improve their intelligence. But what happens when they accidentally consume sensitive information? Imagine this. An AI chatbot you're using today accidentally remembers private API keys and spits them out to another user tomorrow. This is not just paranoia. It's already happening. Last year, a Samsung engineer copied confidential source code into ChatGPT. Now we have 12,000 API keys leaked inside AI training data. If AI keeps absorbing private, hidden, and proprietary data, where does it stop? Let's talk about what kind of data was found in these AI training sets. According to researchers, the leaked dataset included AWS secret keys. These could allow hackers to access cloud storage, databases, and confidential files. MailChimp API keys. Attackers could send fake emails from legitimate company accounts. Google Cloud API keys. If active, these could grant access to entire cloud infrastructures. These aren't just small vulnerabilities. They could be catastrophic. And the worst part? We still don't know whose keys were exposed. If you're a developer, business owner, or even just someone using AI-powered tools, this is a wake-up call. This raises a huge ethical question. Are AI companies being reckless with their training data? Here's the problem. AI companies scrape massive amounts of data from the internet, but they don't always filter it properly. If secrets and passwords are buried in that data, AI might memorize them. And this isn't just speculation. In 2023, OpenAI had to limit ChatGPT from generating entire pieces of copyrighted code because it was leaking proprietary information from its training data. This is proof that AI has a memory problem. And if companies don't start auditing their training sets, this leak will not be the last. Now, here's where things get even crazier. Governments are stepping in. New regulations could force AI companies to filter training data or face massive lawsuits. Big tech might have to rewrite their AI models from scratch. Cybersecurity laws might be completely rewritten to account for AI leaks. But let's be honest, AI companies are making billions. Do you think they'll stop just because of a few leaked API keys? Or will they keep pushing forward, hoping no one notices? Let me know in the comments. Should AI companies be held responsible for leaks inside their models? Alright, before you go, here's how you can protect yourself. Developers, never share sensitive data with AI models. Companies, audit your API keys and rotate them regularly. AI users, be very careful what you copy-paste into AI tools, because it could get stored. This is just the beginning of a much bigger conversation. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next AI scandal is only a matter of time. And if you think AI is getting out of control, drop a comment below.